Meaning of decree nisi.
Decree nisi.
Decree nisi.
Decree nisi.
Decree nisi. A decree nisi is a legal order issued by a court in divorce proceedings. It signifies that the court has agreed that the reasons for the divorce are valid and that the marriage has broken down irretrievably. The decree nisi is not the final divorce decree, as it is conditional and subject to certain conditions being met before the final decree is granted. Once the conditions are met, the decree becomes absolute, and the parties are officially divorced. Therefore, a decree nisi is a preliminary step towards obtaining a divorce decree.